Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 chart, and this is my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. You are looking at Swiss franc Japanese yen 30-minute time frame, and I want to talk about this newly formed support, which is in here at 165.48. Now, this support is based on a volume profile setup, which is called the trend setup. I'm talking about this trend area, and when I use the flexible volume profile over this area, then you can see that there are volumes that stand out in here in the middle of this buying activity. And what this is telling us is that buyers who were pushing the price upwards were adding to their long positions in here in this little rotation, and then they continued to push the price upwards from there again. So the level which I have here is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and I think that when there's a pullback to this zone, chances are that there'll be a reaction, as the buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. Now, there are a couple of more things that I like about this level. The first thing is that there's first deviation of weekly VWAP, that's this line, and it is almost at the level. And if at the time of the pullback, the first deviation is somewhere close to the level, and I hope it will, then it will add strength to that level, right? So that's the first deviation of VWAP. And another thing that adds strength to that level is, if you look in here, the price reacted to this zone in the past, so it worked as a resistance in the past, right? Because there was this sharp reaction. The resistance turned into a new support as the price went past the resistance, right? So this is a price action setup which says that resistance which got broken turned into a new support. So we have three independent trading setups pointing us to this level, so it better work. Now there's one thing that I don't like about this, and the thing is the big picture. In here we have a very sharp, very strong selling activity, and if you compare it to this, the sellers are just stronger and more aggressive. So the risk is that those sellers will take over again and push the price into a downtrend again to continue this selling activity. Positive thing here is this candle, because this is showing that there are aggressive buyers as well, because the sharp sell-off got negated here by those buyers, right? I'm talking just about this pin bar, which is telling us about aggressive buyers. So this is just a thing that I want to show you, which is a bit risky, but still I think that chances are that the price will react here. Now, very similar scenario is on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, so let me show you. And I must say those charts are almost identical here, or I mean the things that I look for. We have the trend with heavy volumes here. This is the trend, those are the heavy volumes. The level which I have here is at the beginning of the heavy volume zone, 88.97. The first deviation of a VWAP is above the level, so in here we can't count on VWAP helping us. But what we have here, let me zoom it in a bit, is this. The price was reacting twice and very nicely to this level, so it was a resistance. When the price went past that, it turned into a support. So as you can see, it is a very similar scenario, and also we have that sharp downtrend with this pin bar, which is telling us that buyers are also active here, and this could help push the price up. Alright, so that's how I see those two pairs, and what we need to do now is just wait for the pullbacks to those support zones and take it from there and hope for the best. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading or VWAP trading or order flow trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, then it will take you to a page where you can browse my education and trading course. In here, this is the Elite Pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading. And below that, there's the Order Flow Pack, and this one will teach you everything about day trading with order flow. Both those packs include indicators like volume profile, order flow, and VWAP for various trading platforms, and also top-notch free tech support. So check those out. There are videos which you can watch. The videos will show you everything which you are going to get more in detail. So that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.